What's up guys, welcome to my video. Today I'm doing a video on, these are all EXs, megas. There's some megas in it. There's a lot of megas in it and more than mega EXs. So let's get into it. I looked at them already and I got this for a reward and stuff. So yeah, I'm just going to get into it. And it says an evolution. So there's 109. So we're going to get to the point where you guys can see. So let me see if I can. Mega Mewtwo. This Volcanion. I'm just gonna let you guys see. Alakazam. Another Mewtwo. It's a legendary. It's Gengar. Mega. So I got EX. Charizard. Another Charizard. I got Blastoise. Got that guy. Got Mega Alakazam. We got Mega Ivysaur. Lots of megas. Another mega. Yeah, oh yeah, there's the Mega Charizard right there. Wait. Oh yeah, here's the Charizard, Mega Charizard. Just 300 damage. That is awesome. And then we get to this Mega Charizard, and look, it don't do as much damage. There's 150 damage, but see that one, and then once we get to this Mega Charizard, just 300 damage, and it has 220 health. We got another Mega of him, Mega Blastoise. Mega Slowbro. Oh yeah, there is an EX in here. Mega Blastoise in here. I have him already, so I'm going to be giving my old Mega Blastoise away. So right here he is. Right here, I already have another one of these, so I'll be giving one of these away, not on YouTube. So I'm going to be giving away 2 booster boxes, so yeah, so I am going to, but I won't give away the booster boxes in at least 2 months, 2 or 3 months, because I had to order them, get them in, because I know, so never mind. Yeah, I'll be giving away this one, so, got another Mega. Mega Gengar, that's pretty cool. Pikachu EX. Oh, got a little damaged. Charizard EX, Dragonite, Steelix EX, Mega Pidgeot EX, Umbreon EX. I've had a GX of Umbreon. Ivysaur EX. We got a Mega Mewtwo. We got a Volcanion EX, rare, ultra rare. We have another one of these. I don't know what the name of it is. So, oh, I've seen a bunch of these before. They're Flareon, Kindaria, whatever, EX. So Mega is a legendary. Oh, this is a legendary. Him. Then a legendary Umbreon, and last card, Mega Pidgeot. So guys, that's it. That's it for the video. So I'll be doing a video. That was a video for this right here. So it's 109 cards. If you guys want to count, it's 109 cards. First card I got in the pack is Mega Mewtwo EX. It's in the front. Not gonna damage it. And look, this is a double energy card. Double. So that's a legendary, something like that. I don't know what legendaries look like, so that's a legendary. And that one, it's like outlined with gold. You guys want to count how many legendaries there are? There's legendary. If I'm getting them right, that they're like legendary, legendary. I don't think it's a legendary. Yeah, it's not a legendary. Okay, it's Mewtwo EX. There's a Charizard, Blastoise.
Well, you gotta think, look at how heavy those batteries are that we got underneath it.
Mega Charizard. There's another legendary. Another legendary. Another legendary. And then that's it. So you guys want to count the legendaries? You can. So yeah, peace out guys, see you guys next video. That was a video on the evolution Pokemon and stuff, like 109 EXs, there's like, I don't know, how many, I guess 73, I don't know. So yeah, peace out, see you guys next video, and yeah, there you go.